Hi, my name is Jason Bedsworth, and I founded CFS almost now 20 years ago. Recently I had the opportunity to go on vacation. I was fortunate enough to do that. And it gave me some time to reflect on the past 20 years. We've had some highs, we've had some lows, and we've had some plodding along at times. But through all of it, we sought opportunity when big changes occurred. And it's in those times that as I look back, they were really the funnest times that we had as a company. Credit unions have a ton of data. There's great variety to that data. Many credit unions have made investments to try to take advantage of that and become what they call, quote unquote, data-driven. And some have had success, but I think most would admit that they haven't gotten the success in their data initiatives that they had originally envisioned, are still trying to gain the value from all of that. At CFS, we try to think of ourselves as getting our credit union customers out of the data management business and into the data analytics business. We do that in two ways. We have our data connectors platform, and that allows you to connect to many of the third-party systems that you run today and make the data management more of a straightforward initiative so you can spend more of your time into the data analytics and where the fun opportunity is. And then secondly, we have models where we've developed insights as we've observed our clients using this data. We've developed models on top of that. And so as you come to our booth, I would encourage you to take a look at both of those to get ideas. And if you want to evaluate them for your own usage, of course, we'd be happy to help you with that. But a third thing I would ask you to do, or encourage you to do, is to come with us and tell us about the changes that you're making in this time or evaluating in this time. That vacation I talked to you about, I had a whole stack of books I thought I was going to read while I was on vacation. And I got through some of them, but not near as much as I thought I would. And in doing that, it made me reflect on credit unions and data. I see some that just run into these huge projects and with these big goals. And, it's occurred to me over time that change doesn't come in one big project or one big initiative, particularly when you're talking about using data to drive change. It comes in daily changes, the sum total of which can mean something quite great. So I hope that you enjoy this conference. I hope that you make the connections that help you, and I hope you get the content that you're looking for that can help you make the change that you need to make in these times. Thanks for listening.